Yes. Okay, so you have enough time. But okay, so can we give a round of applause to our excellent always, she knows the budget of time. Okay, so before anything else, I would like to thank our business development Jaime. Can we give him a round of applause? It's not easy to call all the leaders to be speakers.
Yeah.
And of course, our tech, the volunteers. Let's give them a round of applause. So far, are you inspired by the first three speakers?
Yes.
Can we give them a round of applause? So there are 3 stars, you hear them. But of course, we would like to acknowledge that Team Elite Pegasus in the house. Can you stand up for these people to recognize you?
Yes.
Tudor, our diamond guest. I think they are in the other room. If they are busy or they give space for the guests. And of course, our Team Elite Pagos, if they are inside the room, okay, can you wave your hands or stand for the leaders, for the members, I mean, for the guests to be recognized. So they are not here, also busy. And of course, I would like also to recognize our Diamond 1 stars in the room. Okay, so if you are Diamond 1 stars, can you just raise your hand? Because later I will tell these people what is Diamond 1 star, 2 stars, and 3 stars. Okay, so maybe they are in the other side again. Busy. Okay, there at the back. Okay, 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, Team Elite Pavos, up to Pegasus and Supremes. Okay, these are the rank in Reway International. If in your traditional business you have supervisor, manager, we have it here also. Equivalent as like that. So from the 3 speakers, they did not mention about the product because later on there is a full presentation of the product. Okay? Congratulations for being here because later you will know, okay, the secret, maybe up to now, that's still the secret of some of your doctors, celebrities, and, politicians. They're into stem cells, they're into pure cheer. Okay, that is our product. Okay, I just have to tell you a few things that maybe some of you, these are your questions. Okay, so our product, actually in Reway, we have 2 products. Okay, 1 is for health. Okay, health is health product. We only have 1, which is now we are in the 7th edition. Okay, but of course the company came in the Philippines in 2016, and it brought here the 5th edition. Okay, we started to take that with Teo, our Pegasus during that time, and then 6th edition and the 7th edition. Because our company is a research and development company based in Singapore. And our product, the 7th edition, the 10 capsule of 7th edition is equivalent to 1 bottle of the 6th edition before that you took. Okay? So that is for our health product, and that is reversing aging. Okay? So means we are not anti-aging. Reversing aging is different. Then we also have beauty product, which we have set the beauty spray, the mist for the face, all in one, the melasma, okay, and all. It has 24K gold. Okay, when you spray to your face, after a few minutes, you can pawn your face to the pawn shop. Because there is 24K gold. Okay, who are here? Okay, using the conscientious spray of our company. Do you know that we have like that? This is non-comparable. 27 patented ingredients. Okay, you don't need to put all that cream for 7 in 1 and all. It's only just a spray away. So when we are in public places like in the restaurants, in the hotels, having meetings, we take out our bottle of spray and then spray for men and women. There is even for young, like teenagers, pimples and all. And then the other one is the mask, our beauty mask, which is in just 40 minutes. Your Reway logo, your lines, wrinkles here, okay, and logo here, your wrinkles totally will maybe reduce. Okay, a testimony Okay, I had when I was in India. Okay, while I was doing the presentation, when I was in India, an Indian local, my member did the presentation, and I have this guy seated there, a senior. Okay, I have trust with the product, so I let him put that mask in his face, black for men. And after the presentation for 40 minutes, you know, Indians, they have black, dark spots under their eyes, right? In just 40 minutes, it lightened the face, and then the dark spots lightened also. So they believe. So you see, our product are stem cells from health and beauty. And that is actually, for many of us, that is the key, okay, to the other perks that we can enjoy in Riway International. So when my parents back in Antique, okay, started to take Pure Cheer in the 5th edition, okay, I am here in Cavite with my sisters, we're all here. We have peace of mind that our parents are, you know, they are okay in their 70s because they are taking stem cells in capsule. In their 70s and 73, they don't have the medications, the medicines, maintenance for their body. You know that medicines, maintenance, the word maintenance itself, it can also damage our liver and kidney. So for that three editions, actually, I remember I wanted to I share that because last week, a few days ago, my mother asked me when I called her if what will happen to them because up to now they are still taking the product. So I told them, you will not have antlers. Okay, you will not have antlers. 3 years, it is like you are already, regenerating inside the body. So that is our product, unique and non-comparable. Actually, I always tell our clients that our product is safer and cheaper, okay, compared to, stem cell injections. Those who know our product. And that is the key that I started also to shut down my own business. And when my parents started to recover from their health, I started to know more what else this company can help me or give me. So I also noticed that the company also hold events during the time in international. But right now, since our CEO said that no space in the earth, okay, can hold all the leaders, okay, of Riway International. So, if you notice from that product that I trusted, from that product that I tried for my family, for me, for my parents, like that, it brings me to the next level. So what I'm saying next level, because many of you only stuck to the first level. The first level is to enjoy the product. Yes, but the next level there is to travel abroad or to attend the international events because the company, just like our recent event, August 2 in World Trade Center, the budget of our CEO was 18 million pesos. For the full meal, for the whole day, for the people to learn with the top leaders who discuss the topics given to them for us to enjoy. You know, when you purchase in the company, okay, you actually get two things initially, which is the product, the health for your family, and then the wealth. It means that financially you can enjoy. You heard them. They're earning 6 digit. If you are in the Philippines earning $2,000, earning 100,000, what is the feeling? Feeling cloud nine? Feeling okay? Feeling good because you're earning that. For those who are new, because I know that many in this room are new, it's like overwhelming. What is it in us because we don't experience, but in Riway it's normal. So you heard them, they enrolled in this company, and then these are the benefits that they can have. I attended an event. By the way, I started to travel 2017 to 2019 before pandemic. And when I checked my old passport, okay, there were 33 trips. I started with a single bottle. I loaned the money for that bottle because I want to save my mother. My mother was getting blind because of diabetes. Okay? and then I have to work out for 10 days. Share the opportunity, the product for those people, because I know there are so many diabetic people around. Almost every home, there are people who are buying in the Mercury drugstores, and that is forever. Okay, so the most scariest, text or call or message that we can get if we are away from our old parents is that they are already they will be sent to the hospital for some reasons and all. Hospitals, there's no what do you call this? You cannot get discount at all. So when you are in that situation, So here in Riway, aside from that, we also enjoy in the different events. One event that I cannot forget, my first travel was in Singapore. Okay, there were like 12,000 or 14,000 people. We were in a round table, and there were a lot of food, drinks, hot and cold drinks available for us. As long as you are okay to go to run to the bathroom, go to the toilet, to pee, you can drink and all. So imagine, this company is so generous to give us all in these events, to give us all out to spend money for these events. And even in the leadership training seminar that we had, it is like a huge classroom. Okay, in some companies, they are going to pay for a certain amount for you to attend and learn. But do you know that in Riway International, every event, just like the event before last Saturday, okay, this event can create another hundreds or thousands of Filipinos who will become successful in the next 3 to 6 months this year. So this opportunity is for everyone. So not only with that event, that is just one of the 10 events in the whole world that we have. So it means, can you imagine how much money our company is putting for us, to invest for us? You go there, you develop as a person. You go there, you develop as a business person. So this is the perks. But some of us know when we invited, we hire van, we hire bus, and then they don't want to join because they are busy. So many in the Philippines are busy people for 3 meals a day. So what does it mean? They cannot, the money that they are earning for survival. They just want it in the present. They don't know that in the future, in their old age, they need more money, and they also need to be healthy. Because if in your old age, you are already sickly, you don't have money, your pension is not enough, you will become freebies. Freebies? Giveaway? Your children will give you away. You're a freebies because you are sick, you have no money. Sad truth. Agree?
Yes.
So, now that you are in Riway, grab the opportunity. And then, the good thing here is, with the market that we have right now, as mentioned by Diane, our business is international. I went India for a few times a year. I went to Dubai and Abu Dhabi for a few times a year. We have this business inside Zoom, Zoom, so we can do Zoom. We do Zoom regularly. We do, and then we meet in the events. My leaders from Europe, we went in international events. Some from New York, he went to attend here in the Philippines. Okay, Japan we have also. So it means that your market it's up to you. It's up to you. How are you going to expand your net all over the world? You can have that. How many hours you have in a day? For those employees, I would like to make this as an example. Employees, they are working 5 days a week. 8 to 10 hours a day plus the travel time, how much they get in a month. If you are going to spend or invest that time in Riway, at least 5 hours a day, talk to your neighborhood, okay? Talk to the people from your old aunties, uncles, nephews, nieces who are jobless right now, okay? You can tell them about the opportunities. And then one family, two families, three families, you help them earn 6 digits. Then by the end of December, how many of them you help have their Merry Christmas? So, we don't need to be a governor, we don't need to be a mayor, to be a president to help our kababayan, okay? We just do Riway, but you know, some people, I understand that some people have really strong rejections because they are thinking we are extracting money from them. They didn't know that that's just the key. Once they are in this company, all the wonderful things that can happen to their life. Before, our outside Riway, it was just a dream. Alam nyo yun, pangarap lang dati. And you know, those who are in Riway, who are already enjoying their 1-star, 2-star, and elites, these people before, they are into the payday and payday, you know, paycheck to paycheck. And if you notice again, the 3 speakers, why they are, you know, so light, so happy, because they earned 6 digits last month. And if you want also to do that in Riway, you can for star leaders already. Okay? You want to earn 100,000, 200,000, up to 500,000. What have you done in that month? If you still want to earn the same amount in this month, then still the same actions you are going to do. So we cannot stop. We cannot, we earn 500,000, we earn 1 million last month. It's normal to Riway leaders. So you see them all smiles. You see them all happy because they are healthy. They don't have the pain all over. They travel almost every month anywhere they want. So in Riway, travel is a lifestyle. So people who invited you here, these are the people. If you can look at their what you call this, Facebook, they travel regularly. One town to another, from province to another province, from city to another city, from one country to another country. Since I have been here for so long in Riway, so long already, they have mentioned the year. So I don't want to settle in the Philippines. So because our opportunity, it's always a choice. You want to do it in the area or you want to combine it all over in different parts of the world. So right now, Riway is into 14 countries. Our product was approved by FDA in 14 countries. Okay? And this August, they said that Budapest office will be open. So for you to know, we are already into 14 countries and so many countries with no offices yet, but we have more than 60 branches with 6 headquarters in different countries. In Philippines, we started in 2016 with a single office here. Teo and other leaders. We were only like few people here because it was so difficult for us to convince people. 9 years down the road, we are now in 6 branches. Yeah. So, what does it mean? Okay? And then 2 more before end of this year in the Philippines alone. In Europe, we already have office in Prague. We already have in Poland. And they said that Budapest will be open this August. And before end of this year, Bulgaria and Germany offices will be open. Now, can you imagine the market? Okay, can you imagine the market? How many Filipinos living in those countries and the neighboring countries? Is there any country in the world that there is no Filipino?
None.
No, right? None country. So, you see, your market is there. At the tip of your finger, at the tip of, with your gadget, data at home or Wi-Fi at home, you can reach, you can do business all over the world, and you can earn Singapore dollar. Daily payout. You fight now, and then at 1:30 in the morning later, you can have your Singapore dollar income. So those star leaders, especially the elite leaders, they experience, okay, an income that, and in just few hours, they can earn 300,000. When I fought for my Phoenix, like a few years ago, that I experienced that a night income is more than 800,000 pesos. So, if elites in Riway, okay, if they can build only at least 3 lines to 6 lines, 40 sets or 48 sets in a month, sale of the whole team, your income, you can buy always a brand new every single month. But you never see the leaders, you know, in Facebook, in social media, okay, posting this all and all. You can only see us in the airport, in that country and all, because here in Riway, we don't need to exhibit, okay, what we have here. Let them see. That's why the person who invited you persistent always bug you to come here. It's because they want you to see what they see. They want you, they care for you. They want you to experience what we are already experiencing. So our company also, we have all the backups. We have all the people, okay, to take care of us, to help us. This is for, I mean, you can invite anyone who you want to share the opportunity from 18-year-old to 81-year-old, as long as they want to be successful, they want to achieve something in their life. So, my new group right now is headed by our 21-year-old Jello, okay, with his guest here in the room, okay, and he's doing also Zoom, okay, he's reaching different people, friends all over the world. Even strangers can become our business partners later on. So, let's share the opportunity. How many nieces and nephews you have? They don't, they have to go for a long queue to apply for a job, right? They will be required with a lot of lists, NBI clearance, medical certificate, you know that, right? And then they are fresh graduate, but the company they are applying for asks them for a 10-year experience, okay? You know that? You're a fresh graduate in the Philippines, but the company required you a 10 years experience before they accept you. So that is the sad truth in the Philippines. And here in the Philippines, if you're already in your 40s and 50s or seniors, there is no job opportunity for you. But here in Riway International, as long as you have a very good heart and good attitude, teachable, okay, open-minded, this company is for you. So, you see, yeah, our Dato Kelly last time mentioned that here in Riway, you need 99% attitude. Attitude towards the company, attitude towards the event. If you only always look at the positive side, okay, of the situation, of the challenges that you encounter every day, then definitely the success is yours. So you can always hear this, especially to the people who invited you, who sponsor you, who share you the opportunity, that this is a long-term and lifetime. Riway is only 17 years in the market. But, okay, 17 years in the market, we are in 14 active countries, and we are just starting to market the world. So, why we say lifetime? Stem cell is just starting, okay? People started to accept stem cells. In few years, okay, stem cells will replace surgery, chemo, insulin, radiation, like that. And there are so many people who already started to using stem cells, especially our product. But do not stop there, because Riway can offer you everything. Here in Riway, you can see family, okay, the husband, the wife, the children, they're doing Riway. Here, like our top leader, okay, top leaders from Brunei, although they are not here, our Team Supreme, Pegasus, Eric Chok, and Pegasus Dong An, can we give them a round of applause? Okay. When they came in the Philippines together with our Pegasus Seo, okay, they didn't look for rich people who can afford. Because initially, once you heard the price, you will look for rich people who can afford. Okay? but they look for people who want to become rich, and I was one of them. So I am so really thankful that they found me, okay? They handle all my tantrums. Okay? I am still in the way. And then the rest of my life really changed. Two of my leaders mentioned that when I need to shut down my tutorial and languages, because I taught Tagalog, I taught Visayan to foreigners, European and American, okay? And I also learned German language, Japanese language, French, but I can only remember one word of their language after a few years, okay? Why I did that? Because I want to also know the culture, because as a teacher, it is far to happen that I can go to their country. But here in Riway, it is like normal. I go to another country, I go to Taiwan, I go to Bangkok, I go to Malaysia, to Singapore, in different countries, almost regular is because of this company. Now you ask, okay, you may ask who especially for the new, who spend for the travels. Some are sponsored by our company, and some are, of course, sponsored by our own expense rather. Why? Because company gives us from 10% to 70% income. So remember I started 9 years ago with a silver account with one bottle to save my mother, and that single bottle that I started silver account, it brought me to different countries because I give my full time to Riway. So now you are asking, how can I start? Guys, money will not fall on your lap. You have to look for money. You cannot wait for money. You have to do something for the future, because the moment you decided to do Riway, give yourself a try. This August up to December, do Riway and your life will really change. Not only you, but also the lives of the people who believe in you. And the good thing here, it is not only you who will change by health or by financial. You will develop as a person. Your views to things will go different, because here in Riway, majority of the people, especially who have been in Riway, their mindset is different. It is a positive environment where people started to talk about their goals and their dreams. Their Maritas here is like in the elite lunch that we had. Okay, last August, during the leadership training seminar in the 3,000, ano ba, may kwento ako. I try to keep this English kasi we have a foreigner. Support me, okay? Okay, kasi I'm practicing. I'm planning to go to Budapest, okay? So, because they will have their leadership training seminar in October 11. So, I promised to my group there that I must go, because the flight October 5, I plan to just do this 3 days, because Team Supreme, Raymond Tong said after October, you have to, after the event, just go back. So this is my first time to book for 3 days only. Okay? Whatever the announcement in that event in Singapore, I must go back to Philippines. So I booked already. Okay? October 5, 6, 7 to Singapore to attend the 40,000 event only for Asians. In few countries, 10 countries, I think. And in just few days, they announced that there is a separate LRN, Leaders Recognition Night in Europe. So the date is 11th of October. So it means that when I came back from Singapore, I just grab my another luggage and then go fly again to Budapest. So, this was just a dream before, and maybe the life that I am living right now, or the life that we are living right now, are the dreams of our relatives and friends. But they always say, sana all. So, sana all na lang sila. So, these 3 days, the event last 2, I know you were there. But the elites, let me tell you, those who are not elites, okay? The elites place is different, okay? We have our own different CR, You know, we have our own different food, okay? Unlimited food. Unlimited food, guys. You have bento in your seat, right? Thousands of you. I think more than 3,000 bento food for everyone. Okay, for 3 times a day in that event. But for us elites, we have our own buffet, drinks, all. And then you notice that, I'll tell you our secret, huh? During we know if it is, the event is LRN. We have our big bag. Not a small bag. What's in the big bag? Okay, there are so many food. Shoot. So, okay, that you might know that if they're earning millions, so is that sayang, di ba? But anyway, so guys, you know, if you are team elite, at least in Riway, because the one, you know, Sofitel before, because I cannot forget LRN, that happens 4 times a year. That's the most exciting part. Aside that you are learning a lot, that, you know, after that whole day event, you wanted to become, you wanted to achieve something. Because if you achieve something, the first person who will be proud of is yourself. Your parents, your children, your family, your spouse, because you are now a different person, mentally, okay, emotionally, okay, plus your income, okay. Remember, guys, that you have enough money, it can solve 10,000 problems. And if you have money, your look is different, your smell is different. You go to the reunion, you are not the washer. But you are, please tell me, like that, you prepare something. You know, that's not the culture of the Filipino. Okay, let's go back to the LRN. You know, while Sofitel was still there, okay, kinig, okay, children, I'm a teacher, okay, so children, listen. So when Sofitel was still there, okay, the lunch of elite, I remember. How many of us, okay, team elites, we have a separate room for that. And then lunch alone, the budget was $5,500 or $100 each. Can you imagine the salmon in Sofitel? The pink salmon, all the drinks available, but the team elites, they are not hungry for food. They talk a lot of things about their travel in Europe, in US, their team. They bought a new farm, they bought a house, they bought these cars and all. They talk about their success. So, if you are in that group, in that environment, aren't you inspired and motivated? Of course, you will be inspired. That's the environment. You attend the team elite meetings, from bags to shoes. How much is the bag? How much is the shoes? Do you know one event in Las Vegas? Okay, I think the story I heard from Theo, our Pegasus, he mentioned that when the top 10 of the Riway International was in Las Vegas, they can afford to close the shop of Hermes. Exclusive only for the top leaders of Riway to shop. Do you have idea what is the lowest Hermes bag? Okay, and these people are from Riway International. And do you know that our CEO, among the 14 countries, 8 countries in the whole world, he has mansions. And one of the mansion of the CEO is in Rizal, Philippines, because he loves Filipino. You know, Filipinos, we are the gateway to the world. We can speak English. We can understand English. We have friends and relatives in almost different countries. Now you want to become Pegasus for 1 year or 2 years. Think of a country you want to go and you want to market. How many countries, if you can afford to travel, afford in terms of time. Because money is not a question. So you can earn money. When I was in India, my 3-star leader was in Europe having a tour, okay? And then I was in India. She called me and said, I want to purchase 1 set. Then I heard at the back, his husband, make it 7 sets, like that. So I was in India, I was earning Singapore dollar. So, do you like that life?
Yes.
Okay, so how to start? So as the person who invited you later, I still have 10 stories, okay?
Galing.
35 minutes.
Okay, so sorry. So before I end after 1 hour, okay, can I see the hands of people who are new in the room? Wow, mga first timers, congratulations. Thank you. Okay, do you know, I want to help seriously, I want to, why I go abroad, because I know the life of OFW, especially in Dubai, especially in UAE, in Singapore. But how many of them, in Singapore alone, there are a couple of thousands of Filipinos there. If you can find only 8 Filipinos, okay, who you convince, okay, to join Riway International in Singapore market, 8 Filipinos. If you have so many development bonus, that 8 Filipinos who can join you can give you an income of 600,000 at least. If you spend a little, like you heard them, they have their product presentation in Kenny Rogers. Maybe they spend 5,000, 10,000, or 12,000. That is just a minimal investment. If 1 or 2 of them, okay, will purchase the product in a week, in a month, okay, in 2 months, the income might be, okay, 100,000 for a pavo, if that is the newest, okay, member, or 27,000. Now, let me tell you how much you can earn in Riway. Very brief. Okay, okay? Okay ba?
Yes.
Okay. Example, my franchisees, I bought 1 set diamond account. Why we always say 1 set for you to purchase? For you to complete the therapy. You cannot have after 1 bottle, you stop, 1 bottle, you stop, and then after 3 bottles, you said no effect. No effect because you said it's so expensive. It's an expense because you look at it as expense, not a business. Because maybe you are taking 1 capsule every other day. So how can that product take effect and you have all the stress in the world, So, you see, and then after that, okay, you invited at least 2 people in a month, okay, to join the company or to do the business. Your income is 42,000 pesos. Is it good?
Yes.
Is it bigger than the pension that you have for the seniors? Is it bigger than the salary of a regular employer, the 42,000? How much you put in the 100, and then that amount, and then you have the product, and then these people again invite their friends. Maybe you can the very slow or weak is like 13,000 a month. Is it good as a pension? Good also. What if you are going to do that every week? What if you can earn 27,000, 57,000, 100,000 a month or every 2 weeks with your initial capital of 170,000. So, you cannot become freebies to your children na doon ka kay kuya, go to my bunso, and all because you are already a burden to the children. Now, in your age, whether you are 60 or 20-year-old, this is a chance for you. Maybe you have network of people who are jobless right now. You can show them the opportunity. You don't need many of them. You just need 2 or 4 people to start your team in Riway. So we are here building team. So the mothers at home, the homemakers, the problem in the Philippines is we don't know how to manage our time. So Filipinos mostly I know is they can only do one thing at a time. Okay, they can. We invite them. We invite them to attend the seminar. They cannot attend because they are taking care of their kids. You don't realize, guys, that your kids are growing up, and as they grow up, you grow old. And then before you realize it, you are already old, and you have no more dreams. I mean, you don't want to dream anymore because you feel that you are already in the dawn of your life. And then, most people, they don't feel that they are still productive. It's because the situation in the house, especially for the wives, you cannot be under the mercy of your husband. Sorry, some husband. Because, if you're under the mercy of your husband, you just wait for your husband to give you money. You just wait for your for your children, okay, to give you allowance. And you cannot decide because you don't have money. Whereas if today you're going to start do Riway, all of your senior friends, all of your millennial friends, all of the mothers in your neighborhood, okay, tell them about the opportunity. Of course, you're going to prepare yourself. Majority will reject you. You have 20 people in the list, 20 people also rejected you. Don't stop, because maybe these people are not for you. Okay? After 1 year or 2 years, you become successful. You travel in different parts of the world. You travel in different countries, attending the regular events of Riway. And then, you are a new person. Sabihin mo na lang sa kanang who you. Okay? So, of course, it's not like that. Okay? It's that. So, what I'm trying to say, guys, is, here in Riway, you cannot put everything into later. Later, coffee will get cold. Okay, later, you realize you're already old. Later, okay, you are in your... Because you know your value as a person when you are already on your sick bed or on your wheelchair. Okay, why? You know your value when you are on your sick bed or on your wheelchair. There you can realize if your husband or wife will do everything, okay, for you to recover your health. And one day they will stop spending money for your medication. But here in Riway, if you start to decide today, you can be an angel in the people around you, in your relatives and friends. And maybe in October, maybe 10 or 20 people in your team, together with you, you will attend the LRM in October this year. So, don't stop. Okay, when I hit just 1 hour more. Okay, when I hit my Pavo, when my Pavo rank during pandemic, okay, this was my prayers, okay, I mean, the Bible verses that I have, okay, ask and it will be given, okay, if you have faith as small as mustard seed, then you can move mountains, okay, everything that you ask in prayer, believe that you have received it, and it will be yours, and the last one is, oh, that you would bless me indeed and enlarge my territories. Down the road, I expanded in different countries, and for 30 days, for a few days, I was really down on my knees. Because believe me, everything that you can accomplish is through your bended knees. See you at that, guys.